Hello everyone. Today we will study history question answer. Chapter 13 The Mauryan Dynasty. Part D. Part A, B, C. We have already completed in previous video. Now started part D. Answer the following question in briefly. Question number 1. Who was Seleucus Nictor? Answer is Seleucus Nictor was the commander of Alexander. Question number 2. List the main sources of information about Mauryan dynasty. The main sources of information about Mauryan dynasties are Purans, Buddhist, Jain literature, Kautilya Arthashastra, Ashoka's edicts on rocks and stone pillars, remain of the monuments. Question number 3. Which lake was built by Chandragupta Maurya and why? The answer is Sudarshan Lake was built by Chandragupta Maurya. It is good example of the irrigation system that was prevalent at that time. Question number 4. Name the language in which Ashoka's teaching were engraved. Answer is Ashoka teachers were engraved in local language like Khaduksi, Prakrit, Greek and Aramaic. Question number 5. What advice was given by Ashoka to his son and grandson? Ashoka advised his son and grandson not to conquer any countries. They should go in Dharma Vijaya, winning the heart of the people. Now next question, part E. Answer the following question. Question number 1. Describe the finest example of the architecture of Mauryan period. Answer is the finest example of the architecture can be seen from the stone pillars with shiny surface. These pillars were crowned with animals' figures and Dharma Chakra. The stupa of Sanchi and its gateway is best example of architecture. The palace of Ashoka was exquisitely beautiful. Question number 2. The main features of Ashoka's dharma related to social and ethical code of conduct. Answer is the main features of Ashoka's dharma related to social and ethical codes of conduct are: point number 1. Everybody should serve parents' care and love all living creatures and animals. Follow adopts the path of truth. Be kind to servants and workers. Point number 2. Respected all elders, Brahmins, teachers, follow non-violence. Part 3. Everybody should avoid arrogance, enemies, sacrifice of animals, fighting for religions and lands. He wanted that his people should live in harmony with each other and respected and patronized all religions. Question number 3. What did Ashoka do for welfare of his people? Answer is Ashoka's state was really a welfare state. He treated his people as a father would treat his children. He gave maximum facilities to his people. Trees were planted on both sides of road. Well were dug. hospital for peoples and animals were opened. Old age homes were also established. Question number 4. Describe briefly the social and economic life of the people during the modern period. Answer is the life of people was peaceful and prosperous in the society. Varna and ashram of the Rig Vedic period were in practice. People married with their own caste. They followed their parental trade and professions. Question number 5. How did the War prove to be a turning point in the life of Asoka? Answer is the Kalinga War. Answer is the Kalinga War proved to be a turning point in the life of Asoka, because after the Kalinga War, Asoka never does resort to war and spent the rest of his life in propagating and preaching it. Not only in India, also many other countries of the world. He adopted Buddhism and many things. Now our question answer is completed. Question number 1, 2 and 3, 4 and 5. ये क्वेश्चन आंसर कंप्लीट हुआ. अगर आपको ये वीडियो अच्छा लगा तो लाइक करें, शेयर करें और सब्सक्राइब करें. थैंक यू.